Hello everyone, today we're going to do a wheel swap on this Mustang. Remember kids, safety first, never go full Mustang. First of all, my package got completely squished and I'm not too happy about that. However, the car inside should still be okay. So we're gonna open this up first. Yeah, this is not good. White with the blue stripes like that is my favorite color for a Shelby Mustang. And these Barago, they are very nice, especially up close. Jeez, that is nice. Lots of details. Everything is well done. This car is actually good enough that I can put premium wheels on it. Unfortunately though, I have to drill the rivets to get to it. Oh, and it's got opening doors. How neat is that?
How neat is that?
This is kind of a mid-tier die cast. It's got separately applied headlights and tail lights and opening doors. That is actually good. But the wheels, although they are pretty good, I'm gonna find some improvement. And they're rubber wheels too. That's not a complete waste. But I think I can still improve on those wheels. I bought a package, a bunch of extra wheels. These are actually pretty neat, especially these ones, which are all types of colors. It's actually pretty neat, but I'm gonna put on something even more upscale. This package got pretty squished too, but no, I'm not worried. What's inside will be fine. It will be well protected. And I mean, I do care about the box. I care about this box, but what are you gonna do with this one? The box, I don't care. Not the end of the world. I'm sure everything's fine. They put enough bubble wrap that won't be a problem. So these are very high end. And I saw them. These are a bit pricey. I saw them, but I said, my goodness, this is gonna stand out. And you can see the red calipers. That is gonna be amazing. So I've got to whip out my drill and get these rivets now. But this other CCA at the same time, I'm very impressed with the packaging and the level of quality. Anyway, as far as the packaging goes, let's take a look inside. I always keep these boxes for a long time. I keep these acrylic cases. There's a label telling you the name of the car. And the way I rate them is whether they have an opening hood, which this one does not, or if they have separately applied mirrors, which this one does not, or separately applied headlights, which this one does not. They're just printed on. Still looks okay. I'm really happy about the packaging though. The quality of the packaging, have to give it 100% for that. And I'll also take a look at the wheels just to see if I'm happy with the wheels. Now the wheels, they look like just normal plastic wheels. While the car itself, I'd say it's just slightly better than your regular line Hot Wheels. Although, well, a regular line Hot Wheels has just amazing paint. But these do, they make the grade as far as the paint goes. The wheels I find a bit ordinary, but they suit the car well. So what's gonna happen with this? Probably I'll wheel swap it, maybe. I'll think about it. but definitely very impressed by the packaging. I looked at this carefully and actually don't need to bust the rivets. The wheels, these types of wheels are pressed on. Actually very nice, these wheels. I am going to keep them. But to remove them, all you got to do is take a needle nose plier like this, wedge it under here and carefully work them so they come out. While you're doing that, you want to be extra careful not to hurt the body of the car. So you want to work them until they come out. Had to work pretty hard to get them out. I put the car under my tap with some hot water, and that softened the plastic and I was able to get them out. So now you can see some of the water got inside there. So now I can bring in my new wheels. They even have instructions on the back on how to do it. So I'm gonna do that. I am gonna adjust the axles. They fit this car perfectly. And the wheels should also fit the car perfectly as far as the style is concerned. That should be a very nice style. Look at these. So beautiful. In their advertisement, they said that these had a bearing. That's not too important to me, but I am curious about that. Now, should you lose these axles or if you shorten them too much, you can make new axles with a paper clip like this. So that's good to know. Do you guys like doing wheel swaps on your cars? I like the idea of just getting an upgrade. So in the advertisement, they're telling me there's a bearing. Oh yeah, look at that. They roll very well. That is amazing. And the caliper stays in its place. That's also amazing. From all the custom wheels I've ever had, these are by far the nicest. I'm actually very pleased with that. So I think the face of the wheel is pretty fragile. I don't think you can push too hard on it. Now this is your opportunity to stand sit. You have to make a decision. Do you want it to sit pretty low, like I want it to sit right on the ground? And then decide if you want the wheels to stick out more. Do you want them to stick out more or stick out less? You have to decide what you want them to look like. So at this time, you take your time, find the exact stance that you want. Now, because you can see the calipers so well, I had to go ahead and do some research, find out the exact position of the calipers on the real car. So this is the exact stance that I like. I want the wheels to stick out that much, but not too much. So I'm gonna go ahead, put some spacers on it, and cut the axles to length. I use these for spacers, and they come in all different colors. The black ones will be pretty undetectable when I'm done. I use my Dremel with a cutoff wheel to trim off the excess. So I put the stance exactly like I wanted and nice and lowered. I wanted to show you a close-up of the Shelby emblem. Very nice details. I also put the calipers exactly to the angle of the real car. So that looks awesome. And also another view from the rear with the stance. And another view from the other side. So I got the exact same stance, perfect. And that looks awesome. Really happy with that. I'm gonna display that with the other Shelbys. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.